Alright guys, so today we are exploring the magical kingdom of Disneyland Paris.
So this is our third time visiting Disneyland Paris, and we're going to share with you all the best tips and tricks to save time and money on your next visit.
Alright, so money saving tip number one, and the most important one if you ask us, it is packing your own lunch. The menu prices here are absolutely extortionate and you do not want to be caught out by that.
We've just passed one that was €77 for 3 courses.
€77, unbelievable. But yeah, there's a water bottle fountains everywhere as well, so bring your own water bottle, you're allowed them in, and then you don't need to pay the €3.60 was it, for a bottle of Coca-Cola. Yeah, you don't want to be paying that. We are chilling out in the Videopolis. It's in Discoveryland and it is the perfect place to bring a packed lunch if you're going to bring one. We were chilling out, last time we were here a couple of years ago, we chilled out in here for about 2 hours because it was freezing cold outside and we're waiting for the end of the day show.
When you go to buy your tickets, make sure you have a look online and see if you see any deals. We've come before at Christmas and we got a deal with Coupon to get the overnight bus from London to Disneyland Paris, and then spent the whole day in the park, and then the bus back to London that night, and that access was to 2 parks.
Yeah.
So this time we have only got access to 1 park because there was no deals on, which obviously you don't get access to as many rides.
Yeah. It's about the same price. We also went in March one time and it was the same price as what we paid for the 1 park, but because there's no themes or anything like that on, you get 2 parks for the price of 1. So March is possibly the best time I would say to go, and it's off season as well, so if you get lucky with the weather, which we did, yeah, you nail it and it's nice and quiet and you get the whole park to yourself.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Alright guys, so money saving side out the way. We've got everyone comes to Disneyland obviously to ride the passes. You want to do it as quickly and easily as you can, and thanks to these fast pass things you can do that pretty simply.
The fast pass is free to everyone. You go and get a ticket and then you get an allocated time, and then you go back to your ride at that time, and the queue is much shorter.
Yeah, so to stop everyone just getting fast passes for everything, basically you can do one at a time, and then an hour before that one's due you can go and get another one as well. So as we found out, rather than having to wait all day for it, you can go back an hour earlier and get your next ride sorted as well. So another way to save time, you've not got long in the park, so you want to make every second count, but there's 2 parades. One's about 2 o'clock and one's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. 2 o'clock one's not too busy, so you should check that one out. But the 5 o'clock one, everyone goes to that. We just saw it there and every single person in the entire park was at it. All the rides were completely empty, so you want to check out all the rides that you want to do that are huge queues then.